Welcome to our Gemstonedeal channel. Here we will tell you about best gemstones for leadership. Here we go. Building a vocation is profound, individual work. We put ourselves, our inner selves, our energy, our inventiveness, on the line. We co-make with others. We judge, and are judged. This is mental and enthusiastic work, and on the off chance that we work at it regular. We want some lively security. We want apparatuses very much like. We want our moleskines and workstations. Precious stones are little yet strong choices. The following are 5 of the best gemstones for lucrative manifestors. Citrine. This is known as the shipper's stone, and everything revolves around showing an overflow. Dearest inventive business visionary Danielle Laporte keeps one around her work area. She calls it an incredible stone for making thoughts to activity, activity to creation, creation to prosperity. It's an expert stone. Here's a basic ceremony with citrine. Hold one in your hand and rehash your overflow assertions. Or, keep your citrine near your business card, or a rundown of what you need to show. Tiger's Eye. This is the stone Nicole Kidman wears on a neckband in Practical Magic. In particular, there's that scene when Sally acts the hero her from Jimmy and she expresses, blood on the moon. Where's my tiger's eye? She really wants it for insurance. Tiger's eye associates you to your higher self and animates inspiration. Use it to remain mentally collected and secured, assuming that you work with a group or offer types of assistance to gatherings. Keep one in the north side of your home, or your workspace, the focal point of your profession. Blue Flourite. This is known as the virtuoso stone. It's said to invigorate innovative reasoning and assist you with taking care of through complex problems serenely. It's related with the throat chakra, thus it works with clear correspondence. Assuming that you pursue huge choices every day, or map out large plans and dreams, utilize this to assist you with sharing them concisely. Keep this by a light or plant around your work area, and it'll assist amp up the quieting with figuring. Pyrite. The name pyrite comes from the Greek pyros, significance fire, since it really emits sparkles when pieces are struck together. This coppery gem is likewise called fool's gold. It's great for overflow and sign. In particular, it attempts to help our capacity to produce abundance by our very own power, so this is one for new solopreneurs. Leave one on your organizer short term, or keep one in your pack while you're organizing. Garnet. This crimson stone is great for creatrixes who empty their entire being into their work. It's related with the root chakra, and will assist with stopping inspiration and keep the enchantment alive in your business. Use it to remain associated with your heart and recollect your why by the day's end. Grasp a garnet in your grasp and express a positive attestation with your morning espresso for a jolt of energy. Thanks for your precious time.